It's gonna be spicy. I'm known as the blind cook. I grew up in Houston, still live in Houston. I love the city, so I'm excited to be opening my very first restaurant. There you go. I would call the Blind Goat a modern Vietnamese gastropub, where I'm taking a lot of lesser known street foods of Vietnam and putting my own personal story into the dishes as well. I started cooking when I was in college because it stemmed from missing my mom's home cooking. And my vision loss was gradual over time, so I would always have to find new ways to adapt.
Is the door gonna open on your side or my side?
And I was correctly diagnosed with NMO for short. That is an autoimmune condition where it primarily affects the optic nerves and the spinal cord. Grad school was when I decided to audition for MasterChef.
The winner.
I didn't realize I would get as far as I did, and I guess the rest is history.
Kристин.
As a woman, as an Asian American in a commercial kitchen who has a vision impairment, sometimes I feel like people don't expect as much from me, but I put 100% into everything I do. That just proves to other people eventually that she has the tenacity and the determination to keep challenging herself and other people's perspectives.